Did you know a former circus performer once saved an entire empire by ordering the massacre of 30,000 people? In 532, Theodora ruled the Byzantine Empire alongside her husband Justinian, but she hadn't always lived in luxury. She started as an actress and dancer in Constantinople's entertainment districts. Now she wore purple silk and commanded armies. Then came the Nika riots. Angry crowds burned the capital, demanding her exile and Justinian's removal. The imperial couple prepared to flee as rebels controlled the streets, but Theodora refused to run. "I will never remove this purple robe," she declared. "I would rather die an empress than live as a commoner." She ordered General Belisarius to trap the rebels in the Hippodrome. What followed was brutal. 30,000 rioters were killed in a single day. Theodora watched from the royal box as the arena filled with blood. Her ruthless decision crushed the rebellion and secured Byzantine power for centuries. One woman's iron will save an empire.